Good afternoon, friends. At the outset, let me once again welcome RI President Mr. Kalyan Banerjee, Vijay Jalanji, other dignitaries on the dais. It's my proud privilege to stand before you and tell you a little bit about how this project started. But before that, let me tell you about the creative group which was founded in the year 1999. And since then, this particular group of youngsters under the banner of Creative Group have been doing yeoman service, especially to the residents of Titwala. Titwala, many of you may not know, but as you know, it's well known for the Ganpati temple. But what you may not know is that even today, after 12, 13 years of Creative Group being in existence here, the entire medical care of Titwala and the nearby 68 villages is looked after by Creative Group. And how is it looked after? How is it looked after? That they have taken on rent a one-bedroom hall kitchen flat. In that they have kept one dental chair, one X-ray machine and one pathological lab. And every day a different doctor comes in from Kalyan and nearby places, and that's how they are running that polyclinic. Few years back, suddenly during one particular year, out of this group of youngsters, 3 of their parents somehow suffered a massive heart attack, brain hemorrhage, etc. And while being taken to Kalyan, they were pronounced dead. That set them thinking that this is not the way to run only the medical care, but you have to be also prepared for the emergencies. And that set them thinking, and that is when they approached me. I work for Hinduja Hospital, and one of the Creative Group president who is here, Mr. Vikrant Bapat, also works for Hinduja Hospital. That is when they started in the year 2007. And sir, it has taken us almost 5 years. But for the support of like-minded people and the donors like Rotary International, Houston Club, Rotary Club of Mumbai Parleshwar and many others, but very importantly starting from Pramod Dalal who is here, as well as who has donated the piece of land in honor of in memory of his mother. But very importantly, this Devasthan, Mahaganapati Devasthan, after which we are going to name this hospital as Mahaganapati Hospital Titwala, Mr. Subhash Joshi ji, who is here, have donated 1 crore of rupees. I am also happy to tell you that one of the philanthropists, Mr. Y.M. Devastadi, some of you would be knowing him as the CFO of L&T, Larsen & Toubro, he out of his own personal funds has donated 1 crore of rupees. Without the support of all these and many other donors, I am sure it would have been possible. Lastly, in the interest of time, I am not going to talk about a lot more things, but very important for you to know that even today there is not a single MBBS practicing in Titwala. This is despite the fact that there are 20 trains, Titwala trains coming every day. This is despite the fact that more than 2,000 devotees of Ganpati visit this place every day. And on top of that, on the Ganesh Chaturthi day and Sankashti Chaturthi day, you have as many devotees as 50,000 to 100,000 who come here. But you can imagine if some calamity were to happen here, what would happen? Keeping that in mind, these youngsters have set out on a course to have this secondary care hospital, which will be a 40-bedded hospital. I'm glad to tell you that but for Creative Group, the Arogya Vyavastha of Titwala would have been Arogya Avastha. And therefore we will have to keep this in mind. And I am happy to tell you, and therefore a great work being done by these people. And sir, we are indeed thankful to you that you have chosen us. We feel absolutely blessed with your presence. And it is very nice of you to come all the way to a remote place like Titwala and be amongst us. It has bolstered our confidence, it has given us more enthusiasm, and we can assure you that eventually this, which has started as a secondary care hospital, one day would emerge into a better healthcare center, if not a tertiary care hospital. Thank you and God bless you.
Just going further quickly, may I now request our District Governor Vijay Jalan just to say a few words. One line to tell you about him.
Hello.
In his year, our district has been rated the best Rotary district in the world at the hands of Rotary President Kalyan Banerjee. I think that sums up what kind of leader he has been during the year. May I now just request him to say a few words.
Can you hear me?
Yeah.
when we are rushing against time, there is a reason. Our chief guest has not slept for 2 days. And I hope all of you appreciate, and I insisted that he comes to this program and this project inauguration, because according to me, this is a very important program and project. And it's been on for a lot of time. And I'm really thankful to him for having accepted to come here in spite of little reservation on the drive from the old project where we just finished coming from Panvel and here. It's more than 1.5 hour drive, and I told him, sir, you have to come. He's come here, so I'm not going to be long. I'm going to say congratulations, Rotary Club of Parleshwar. Congratulations for taking care of this area. Community development is a great need of the hour, and we have been able to fulfill the needs of the medical care, which is so badly required in Tikola, as you already heard from Dr. Lele. And Dr. Lele, I think, has sworn to himself that I will see that this hospital comes. And this commitment of Dr. Lele is what changed our mind into thinking, and we decided that we must support this project. And we, both Rahul and me, DRFC Rahul and me, decided to go ahead and contribute substantially, and we were able to do it. And today we see this hospital here standing in front of us, and I'm sure, as Dr. Lele has in mind, it will now become a super specialty one day, which is his dream, and I'm sure his dream will come fulfilled, because God is here, Ganesh Mandir is here, Titwala is here. There is every help that we need to make sure that it will become a multi-care and a multi-tertiary hospital one day. With all this, good luck to all of you, good luck to Parleshwar, and all the best to all of you. Thank you.
Thank you. Should we have a formal introduction now? Well, before I invite our world leader, Rotarian Kalyan Banerjee, to just bless us on the occasion in 2 cents, I have his biodata. I'll just read only a part of that. Rotary International President Kalyan Banerjee, a member of Rotary Club of Vapi in Gujarat since 1972, a director of United Phosphorus Limited. You can say he is the 3rd Indian to serve as the Rotary International President in this entire district. And I think we are indeed all fortunate to be under his leadership, whether it's here or it's in the world itself. I think, you know. And then with him in the leadership, I think our district has performed extremely, I would say, unparalleled probably in the history of our own district. He has served Rotary as a RI Director, Rotary Foundation Trustee Committee, and so many other positions, of course. I mean, he's a major donor, benefactor, Bequest Society members, and there is a lot to be said. I would not really go into too much of detail. May I request RI President Kalyan to bless us? Patience.
थैंक यू मिस्टर गवर्नर विजय जलान और हमारे टिटवाला के नागरिकों, रोटरी वन को मुझे आज यहाँ आपने बुलाया और मैं आ पाया, इसके लिए मुझे आनंद है। आनंद इसलिए है क्योंकि जैसे कि आपने सुना कि मैं वापी का निवासी हूँ। हालांकि आप तो 2 साल से मुझे शिकागो रहना पड़ रहा है। 1 ही महीने के अंदर हम वापस भेज दिए जाएंगे क्योंकि हमारा वर्ष पूरा हो जाएगा। मगर वही वापी जहाँ रहता था इतने 40 वर्ष से वहीं वापस जाऊंगा। और 40 साल पहले, आज तो वापी बहुत बड़ी इंडस्ट्रियल एस्टेट हो गई है, लेकिन 40 साल पहले वहाँ पर कुछ नहीं था। और जिस तरीके से कहा गया कि वहाँ पर भी हमारे एक मित्र को एकाएक 38 साल के थे, स्मोकिंग थोड़ा ज़्यादा करते थे, एकाएक हार्ट अटैक हो गया और किसी को कुछ पता भी नहीं चला और गुजर गए 2 मिनट में, 2 घंटे में हमारे सामने ही। और तभी से हमने तय किया कि अगर हमें वापी में रहना है तो हमें यहाँ हॉस्पिटल बनाना है। वहाँ के रोटरी क्लब के जरिए हम लोगों ने हॉस्पिटल बनाई। आज वो हॉस्पिटल हमने 38 बेड से शुरुआत करी थी, आज लगभग उसमें 200 से 225 बेड हो गए। फुल सेकेंडरी टर्शियरी सब कुछ वहाँ अब मिलता है। लोग बल्कि बॉम्बे से कई बार जाते हैं वापी में ट्रीटमेंट लेने के लिए। तो मेरा कहने का मतलब सिर्फ इतना ही है कि अगर आपने शुरुआत करी, बहुत ही अच्छी चीज़ है। और इसी तरीके से बड़ी बड़ी चीज़ों की, बड़ी बड़ी हॉस्पिटलों का शुरुआत होता है। ज़रूरतें पूरी करिए, यही है रोटरी का इरादा, रोटरी का लक्ष्य, क्योंकि जिस समुदाय में, जिस कम्युनिटी में कुछ भी ज़रूरत होती है और कमी होती है, चाहे वो हॉस्पिटल हो, चाहे वो स्कूल हो, चाहे वह कॉलेज हो, चाहे और किसी तरीके की संस्था की ज़रूरत होती है, तो रोटरी करती है मिलजुल के, यहाँ गाँव वासी और शहर के निवासियों के साथ मिलकर। ये देखते हुए हमें बड़ा आनंद है। आप सबको मैं अभिनंदन देना चाहूँगा। भाभी में हॉस्पिटल जो बनाई हमने, लेकिन रोटरी फाउंडेशन से एक भी पैसा नहीं लिया था। मैं आपसे ये कहना चाहता हूँ, सारे जो पैसे थे हमने वहीं के लोगों ने इकट्ठा किया। लेकिन इसमें कोई बड़ी बात या बुरी बात नहीं है, क्यों नहीं, रोटरी फाउंडेशन जब देती है लीजिए। लेकिन मैं समझता हूँ कि ज़रूरतों को पूरी करने के लिए यहाँ की जनता जब देखेगी कि आप कितने गौर से काम कर रहे हैं और कितने ईमानदारी से काम कर रहे हैं, ज़रूर आपको मदद करने के लिए आ जाएंगे, उसमें हमें कोई शक नहीं है। क्योंकि भारत के लोग जो हैं बड़े ही क्या बताएं, उत्साही तो होते ही हैं, लेकिन एक दूसरे को अपने अप्रिशिएट कर सकते हैं जब कोई अच्छा काम करता है, इसके बीच में नहीं आते हैं। एक बहुत बड़ी चीज़ है, क्योंकि हमें ये कहना ज़रूरी इसलिए लगता है क्योंकि प्रेसिडेंट होने के नाते हम दुनिया के कई सारे देशों में जाते हैं, और आज भी हमें कहते हुए अफसोस है कि भारत में जो ज़रूरतें हैं शायद दूसरे देशों में नहीं है। वहाँ सरकार सब कुछ करती है, लेकिन उसकी वजह से लोग कुछ नहीं करते, सब एक्सपेक्ट करते हैं। तो हमारे में वो जो खासियत है, जो खूबी है, दूसरों में नहीं है। कल ही मैं पाकिस्तान से लौटा, क्यों वहाँ गया था मैं भुट्टो साहब से मिलने के, भुट्टो गलत नाम का, मैंने जरदारी साहब से मिलने के लिए गया था, क्योंकि पाकिस्तान में पोलियो के केसेस अभी भी हुए जा रहे हैं। 1 महीना पहले मैं अफ़गानिस्तान गया था, करज़ई साहब से मिल के आया, क्योंकि रोटरी जो है, आपने सुना होगा, पोलियो नाबूदी का कार्यक्रम हाथ में लिया है, और भारत से अब पोलियो होना बंद हो चुका है, 1 साल से ज़्यादा हो गया है, बहुत बड़ी चीज़ है। लेकिन बाकी देशों में से भी पोलियो नाबूद करना है, और इसीलिए हम उनसे मिलने के लिए गए थे। कहने का मतलब ये कि पाकिस्तान जब हम गए इतने सालों के बाद, वहाँ इतनी सारी ज़रूरतें हैं कि मुझे देख के मैं तो परेशान हो गया कि कैसे आप लोग पूरी करेंगे ऐसे चीज़ों को। और उसके हिसाब से हमारे इंडिया में जो विकास हुआ है, जो डेवलपमेंट है, जो लोगों में जो एक ताकत है, जो उत्साह है, वो दूसरे जगह कहीं देखने को नहीं मिलता है। तो आप लोगों ने अपने प्रेम से, प्यार से जो बड़ा एक शुरुआत करी है, इसके लिए मैं आप सबको खूब खूब अभिनंदन देता हूँ। और मैं इच्छा करूँगा कि आप भगवान, यहाँ गणपति जी का मंदिर तो है ही, उनका आशीर्वाद आपके ऊपर सब हमेशा आते रहे, और इनके जैसे दाता आपको मिलते रहे, एक के बाद एक। ज़रूर काम जब अच्छा होगा ना, दाताओं की कमी नहीं होगी, इतना मैं ज़रूर कह सकता हूँ। आपको रकमों का कमी नहीं होगा, मिलता ही रहेगा। बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद और बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया आप सबको, बहुत बहुत अभिनंदन। बढ़ाते रहिए, आपने मुझे बुलाया, ये सही है। मैं थका हुआ था, और क्योंकि कल मुझे फिर से अमेरिका वापस जाना है, लेकिन अच्छा लगा, बहुत ही अच्छा लगा। धन्यवाद आप सब।
कल्याण सर, धन्यवाद। थैंक यू वेरी मच फॉर बीइंग अमंगस्ट अस। एक छोटी सी चीज़ जो इम्पोर्टेंट थोड़ी सी मिस हो गई मुझसे, वी वुड रिक्वेस्ट यू टू make a token handover of this equipment and a handover letter to the president of Creative Group, Vikrant Bapat. This is a letter, symbolic handover from Kalyan sir to Vikrant ji. And one piece of apparatus, this is a BP apparatus apparently. Thank you. May I request Vikrant just to give his word of acceptance.
Rotary International President Mr. Kalyan Banerjee and other respectable dignitaries on the dais. Lele sir rightly said, we are working since last 12 years to have a proper medical health care in this particular area. We are really losing lives because of timely treatment. We are very happy to have you all here for this inauguration of Global Grant project, through which we are getting almost equipment of 47 lakhs rupees. These equipments will definitely play an important role in various sections of this hospital to save the lives. I would like to thank you, Hinduja Hospital, and especially Madam Vinuji Hinduja, who had provided us a technical support. In fact, Creative Group had done a tripartite agreement with Hinduja Hospital, Sri Siddhivinayak Temple Trust Titwala. Hinduja Hospital is going to provide us a technical support in which we are going to get a training for nurses, doctors and technicians and even housekeeping staff for this particular hospital. We are working under the guidance of Mr. Pramod Dele sir, Dr. Bhale Rao, Dr. Dabar and Dr. Ajendra Patankar. We are very happy to have a donation from Sri Siddhivinayak Temple Trust of rupees 1 crore, which had given us a strong support. We are happy to have many Rotarians involved into this particular project apart from Rotary Club Mumbai Paleshwar. Mr. Pramod Dele happen to be a Rotarian. Mr. Subhash Joshi is also one of the Rotarians.